All right, y'all. Hope y'all can hear me, boys and girls. Out here on a big commercial job. Got 2 helpers with me. Try to keep it in the family. I got my brother and my cousin with me. Rig's running real good. Got both heaters, both 8 gallons a minute, running real good. Trailer's pulling fine. Had to, about halfway through, had to go top the tanks off. Ran out of diesel in the heaters, had to fill those back up. The Hondas seem to get pretty good fuel economy for the size motors they are. But we're knocking this out pretty quick. When we first got here, you know, all 3 of us have never worked together before doing this. So we were kind of figuring out our rhythm. Plus I had to show them, you know, I just built all this equipment, put everything together, so they don't really know how to use it all yet. So I'm kind of showing them as we go, and we're kind of figuring it out, but we're getting it knocked out and making pretty good time. So anyway, y'all stay tuned.